Sweet and sour cucumbers are a fresh and tasty side dish, perfect to accompany meat or fish dishes. Here is the recipe to prepare them. Ingredients: 2 large cucumbers, 100 milliliters of white wine vinegar, 50 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fine salt, half a tablespoon of optional mustard seeds, peppercorns. Wash the cucumbers and slice them thinly. If you prefer, you can partially peel them, creating a striped effect with a peeler. In a bowl, mix the vinegar with the sugar and salt until they have completely dissolved. Add the mustard seeds and a few peppercorns if you want to give a spicy touch to the cucumbers. Put the cucumber slices in an airtight container and pour the prepared liquid over the cucumbers so that they are completely covered. Close the container and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, better if overnight, to allow the sweet and sour to be absorbed. Serve them cold as a side dish or appetizer. Remember that it is useful to subscribe to the channel to stay updated and visit our website.